Question 1. Which of the following periods is referred to as the period of Hindu revival or Renaissance? A. Period of Harsha. B. Kushan period. C. Gupta period. D. Mauryan period. Answer. C. Gupta period. Question 2. Who among the following had popularized the theory of the Arctic region as the original home of the Aryans? A. B. G. Tilak. B. Max Muller. C. G. K. Gokhale. D. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Answer. A. B. G. Tilak. Question 3. In ancient India, Nalanda University represented a great center for the study of A. Mahayana Buddhism. B. Hinduism. C. Hinayana Buddhism. D. Jainism. Answer. A. Mahayana Buddhism. Question 4. Who is the author of Kadambari? From among the following: A. Kalidas. B. Panini. C. Kautilya. D. Bana. Answer. D. Bana. Question 5. Which sage or scholar had recast the original single Veda into 4 distinct Vedas? A. Patanjali. B. Kapila. C. Vyasa. D. Shankara. Answer. C. Vyasa. Question 6. Which of the following rivers does not find frequent mention in Rigvedic hymns? A. Ganges. B. Sindhu. C. Brahmaputra. D. Saraswati. Answer. C. Brahmaputra. Question 7. The Arab conquest of Sindh in 712 AD had taken place under the leadership of A. Muhammad of Ghazni. B. Muhammad bin Qasim. C. Muhammad of Ghori. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Muhammad bin Qasim. Question 8. The reverential title of the Liberator had been earned by A. Alexander. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Ashoka. D. Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Answer. C. Ashoka. Question 9. Among the 4 works mentioned below, which one is encyclopedic in nature? A. Mamarakosa. B. Siddhanta Siromani. C. Ashtangarade. D. Brihat Sanhita. Answer. D. Brihat Sanhita. Question 10. The philosophical essence, the world is but God manifest and God is my own soul, may be traced to The. A. Vedas. B. Upanishads. C. Puranas. D. Manusmriti. Answer. B. Upanishads. Question 11. Which of the following pairs of various eras in the respective years they commenced from is wrong? A. Saka era, 78 AD. B. Gupta era, 320 AD. C. Vikram era, 58 AD. D. Kali era, 3102 BC. Answer. C. Vikram era, 58 AD. Question 12. The ritualistic precepts pertaining to the hymns of the Vedas are known as The. A. Sanhitas. B. Aranyakas. C. Brahmanas. D. Upanishads. Answer. C. Brahmanas. Question 13. The script of the Indus Valley Civilization was A. Dravidian. B. Persian. C. Sanskrit. D. Undecipherable. Answer. A. Dravidian. Question 14. The god whose worship had not gained ground in the Rigvedic period was A. Marut. B. Lord Shiva. C. Agni. D. Indra. Answer. B. Lord Shiva. Question 15. The Digambaras and Shvetambaras differ primarily with regard to their A. Choice of God. B. Philosophical doctrines. C. Dress. D. Rituals. Answer. C. Dress. Question 16. Ashoka expresses his faith in the Buddhist creed in The. A. Raminde inscription. B. Schism edict. C. Kandhar inscription. D. Bhabru edict. Answer. D. Bhabru edict. Question 17. Which of the following was common to both the Harappan society and the Rigvedic society? A. Horse. B. Female deities. C. Urban centers. D. Iron implements. Answer. A. Horse. Question 18. The largest urban center in ancient India had been A. Pataliputra, B. Kausambi, C. Taxila, D. Kannauj. Answer D. Kannauj. Question 19. Ashoka's conquest of Kalinga has been described in the Minor Rock Edict numbered A. 1, B. 4, C. 8, D. 13. Answer D. 13. Question 20. The new element of Gopam had been encouraged in temples of southern India by The A. Chalukyas, B. Pallavas, C. Cholas, D. Pandyas. Answer D. Pandyas.